We're here at Clearwater Airport today to take an airplane ride on a little plane. There's a Coast Guard. We were walking and I heard they got a emergency call to go out 15 miles to rescue a boater. Sit down. Just sit down, please. Thank you. You're being good. Okay. Okay. We got a jet taxiing off to take off. They're taxiing to leave. They're getting all their gear in their helicopter to go rescue somebody. Maybe we'll see them while we're in the air. Because they're going to an emergency call. Looks like the pilots are switching. Maybe to a more experienced pilot or something, because it looked like they were out doing some training out on the runway when we were pulled up and watching them. Tried to record it, but for some reason it didn't record. But I got my two crazy boys with me, Lucas and Camden. And they won't settle down because they're so excited. So chilling with Chad, going on an airplane ride, Clearwater, Florida. That's not the one we're going on. That's the one we're going on. Yeah, that's not the one we're going on. Just kidding. We're going on a single prop. Oh, here they go. They're taxiing out. Pretty cool. Private jet.
What, Dad? What, Dad?
It's a private jet going out. So stay tuned. Chilling with Chad. We'll be back.